Welcome back. In the previous class, we have discussed about our second chapter, Wonders of Visible Light. In it, we have studied that based on the nature of surface on which light falls, reflection can be classified into two. If the light falls on smooth surface like mirror, regular reflection takes place. When light falls on irregular surface, that is rough surface, diffuse reflection takes place. Have you ever think about how do we see an object? Let's see. We are able to see objects because of the reflection of light. The light reflects from the object reaches to our eyes. Thus we see an object. Where does this light come from? Yes, this light is nothing but the light coming from sun. Once again, we are able to see objects when light coming from sun on an object gets reflected and reaches our eyes. Thus we see an object. In daytime, we are able to see blue sky, white clouds, green grass, all because of the light from the sun getting reflected. At night, there are no light rays in darkness, so no rays reaches our eyes from the object. That's why we are unable to see objects in darkness. Another question for you. How do we see objects when torch is lighted in darkness? The light rays from the torch fall on the object and it gets reflected. The reflected ray reaches the eyes of the person who operates the torch, and thus he is able to see objects when torch is lighted in darkness. Two pictures are there on your textbook. You have to draw the path of the light in two instants. And the first one is, a boy is crossing the road during daytime. How does the driver sees him? Yes, the light ray fall on the body of the boy and it gets reflected to the eyes of the driver. Thus the driver can see the boy. Next one is, how is the dog seen when torch is lighted in darkness? It is because the light rays from the torch fall on the dog and the reflected rays fall on the eyes of the person who operates the torch. Thus he is able to see objects in darkness. Is it clear? Then, what method do you use to see your own face? Yes, absolutely, using a plane mirror. A mirror with a plane surface is plane mirror. Its surface is very smooth. This makes light reflect very well. So, we see our face very clearly. That is, we see our face very clearly in a plane mirror than a steel plate or an aluminium plate. Let's conclude today's session. Today we have discussed about how do we see an object in daytime and also in darkness, and an introduction to plane mirror. In the next class, we will learn more about plane mirror. Thank you.